How to book a bed at the Devnagari Hostel. First open devnagarihostel.com in your browser. Devnagarihostel.com. You look at the first visible man and woman photo and click it. You can check live bed availability and room sharing in the room catalog that are currently available. Is there a space and you are interested? Click to open catalog. View the room details. Images. Room type like AC non-AC. Room number. Room sharing. Bed availability. And easily check which amenities provide with room. Scroll down the page, last option available, quick reservation. Fill your detail. After pay. And add reservations.